ABI is proud to announce a new partnership in Latin America with Metro de Medellín. In the heart of Colombia's most innovative city, technology keeps millions of people moving every day. But behind every journey lies the challenge of maintaining complex electronics that keep transport systems safe, efficient, and reliable. By investing in ABI's board-mastered and revain systems, rail engineers can diagnose, test, and repair any electronics at component level faster and locally. This partnership means less dependence on external suppliers, reduced costs, and a powerful investment in technical capability that stays in Colombia. ABI and Metro de Medellín prove that the future of railway technology is not replacement, it's repair.